Hi, now let's look at another topic called as a until. It is quite opposite to the while loop. A while will check for the condition. If it is true, then a block will be executed. For until, it is opposite to this. When a condition is false, it's going to the block and it executes the statements and then come back. When the condition is true, it comes out of the loop. So it is opposite to this. So then this is the flowchart of this. First it checks the instructions. If the expression is true, it comes out of the loop. If the expression is false, then it checks for the conditions and or the instructions. First the instruction is executed, then checks the condition. If it is false, then the loop gets repeated. Let's see a sample example of do, while, or until. So here is a sample example. So what I'm doing here is I'm checking the input as 8 and checking the condition. If input is greater than 10, the condition failed, and I'm trying to increase that. So first itself is the failed. Then let's see if it goes into the statement or not, into this block or not. Okay, so let me go back to the command prompt and type the CLS. Then I can update the program with the until.pl. Okay, the condition failed for 3 times. Why? So first the condition fails. By default the condition fails. First checks the expressions. Condition failed, it will be printed. Then the value is incremented to 9. Then it checks 9 is greater than 10 or not. Yes, 9 is greater than 10, that is false. Then it gets added. Then the increment is 10. 10 is greater than 10, in this also false. Why? Because 10 is equals to 10. So then it prints the condition failed. Then again it increments the value. Now the value is 11. Is 11 greater than 10? That's true. Then it comes out of the loop. So how do we then, in order to understand this, came out of loop, and here I can print this, save it, then enter. So the came out of the loop. Okay, this is how a until statement works.